Hi, I'm Jen. I'm a nurse at St. Mary's Hospital. I'm going to show you how I use the Vocera Minibadge to streamline hospital communication and focus on patient care. I'm about to start my shift, so I put on my Minibadge and log in.
Good morning. Please say or spell your first and last name.
Jen McMaster.
Okay, I'm logging you in as
Jen McMaster. My app also indicates that I'm logged in to both my Minibadge and Vina. Okay, Vocera.
Vocera.
What's my battery life?
You have 100% remaining.
Great. I know I have enough battery to get me through my shift. I haven't been on shift in a few days, and I want to focus on meeting and assisting my patients. I'll set myself to Do Not Disturb so I can focus. Okay, Vocera.
Vocera.
Turn on Do Not Disturb for 30 minutes.
Okay, setting Do Not Disturb mode on.
Okay, Vocera.
Vocera.
Call Jen McMaster.
Jen McMaster.
Is on Do Not Disturb mode. Do you want me to break through?
No, Jen is probably doing something important, and I don't want to interrupt her.
Would you like to leave a message?
No. I need to talk to Jen, but it isn't urgent, so I'll send her a text using VinaWeb as I'm standing at my workstation.
I can see by glancing at my Minibadge that I have a non-urgent message. I can also see on my smartphone that I have a new message from Carol Wilson. To check my message, I tap on my smartphone alert to open Vina. Great. I'll introduce myself to Bob shortly. That reminds me. I'd like to talk to Carol about a schedule change for next week. Jen McMaster.
Accept call.
I'm getting Bob settled in his room, so I'll reject the call from Jen by clicking the DND button. Bob needs pain medication. I'll send Jen an urgent message since I know she'll be coming in to assess him next. Okay, Vocera.
Vocera.
Send urgent text to Jen McMaster.
Speak at the tone and press the call button when you're finished.
Please grab pain meds for your patient in room 201.
Should I send that message?
Yes.
Message sent. Received at 11:46 a.m. today. Urgent message from
Carol Wilson.
Please grab pain meds for your patient in room 201. Vocera.
I need to get a hold of Carol Wilson. Jen McMaster.
Accept call.
Yes. Hey Jen, did you get my message?
Yes, Carol. Got your message about the patient in room 201. I'm on my way. I also need to talk to you later about next week's schedule.
Okay, great.
My job at the hospital is always busy. However, the Minibadge enables me to stay connected and reach the right people at the right time so that I can stay focused on my patients.